Well, I'm a hardwood supplier, sawmill operator, furniture maker, mostly focused on producing high quality hardwood products, unique cuts of the various hardwoods that are available to us in central Nebraska, and making very high quality, heirloom quality furniture. Well, when I got home from overseas, I didn't really want to get a real job, so I had to create my own job. Started off doing trailer deck floors and low grade products, and continued just improving and finding better outlets for it, and moved more to the furniture grade materials. The original mill that I purchased in 2007 would cut roughly a 30-inch log. It would make a 24-inch wide cut, 13 feet long. Several years later, I added a 5-foot extension on it so that I could cut up to 18 feet. And the mill that I purchased 2 years ago, would have been September of 18, it will cut a slab 4 feet wide up to 24 feet long.